I'm here at Kelsey Chevrolet, the place I bought little Sparky at. We're here today to get it serviced, get some windshield wipers. I explain that one later. And we're out here walking around just killing time, and we're gonna go look at cars. And I'm bringing you guys with me. Now the funny thing, whenever I bring my car in here for an oil change and get service and everything, I get nervous. It's like a doctor's appointment. I get that feeling like I get when I go to the doctors. I get nervous. Why is that? Am I the only idiot that does this? But guys, this is a 20,000 mile oil change. I'm going to give a 20,000 mile review on my car. That's right. I've done one for the 5, 10, 15, and I'll give it 20. Now that will air on a Saturday. It probably won't be your all's, well, it will air on a Saturday. Just look forward to it if you want to see that type of video. I'm keeping it different from my rest because it is different. We might talk more about that later. But right now, we're going on this other side, and I think my wife is freezing. And we're going to see if we can find new cars, neat cars, maybe some little Sparkies. Now, something happened today that normally doesn't happen when we bring the car up to get service. Guy was kind of like pre-selling an air filter for the car and the breathable air inside the car. And it almost reminded me like when you go through McDonald's or one of these restaurants, would you like to try the apple pie, or would you like to try this?
Upsell.
So yeah, he's trying to, yeah, it's upsell. Yeah, thank you, Ange. Well, he got us, so we're like, yeah. He says something about maybe 60 bucks. But you know, fresh, clean air in the car is important. Just saying. I'm not saying we dirty or anything. Now we're trying to find the new cars. We found some new trucks over that way. So we're going to this other side and see this is where the new cars are. Huh. It was so much more here last time. Okay, we're still walking. That's a big lot. Angie's giving me hell. She's like, you don't know directions, do you? I will admit, even though we was here, what, about 3 months ago, I did seem to forget what I was doing. It's like every day time I'm here, really. Right. Okay, I'm going right. Yeah, last time we was here, we did the same thing. We walk around till they take the car in, because I don't want to go inside there and wait. I don't like waiting in come whatever places. I don't like it. I like to be out and about. All right, I promise I will find some type of new car to show. You ain't gonna believe what I just did with this GoPro. I dropped it. I dropped the damn GoPro on the ground. Yeah, real smart, huh? Here we got is a Nissan. It's not new, but it's a sharp looking car. Look at this. Holy. And we got us a little Sparky right here. I think that would be great. Then we got a little Sparky identical to mine. Let's look at this one. Oh, nice tires on this one. Oh, you shining. Oh my God, it's just like ours. Go around here and see what year this one is. Oh, identical to mine inside. Let's see what we got. It's a 2020, just like ours. It's identical to our car.
Probably the one that they had when we got ours.
Yeah. It's a nice little Sparky right here. It's funny standing next to this little Sparky. It's almost like us standing next to our car. All right, let's look around and see what else we can find, guys. ZL1. Look at this one, guys. Oh my gosh.
It's a Camaro.
Yeah, it's definitely a Camaro. Let's go right next door to this Camaro. Oh my Lord. I'm not exactly sure. These might be something like $50,000 cars right here. Oh, now I like this one right here. Of course, it ain't much different to that one, but for some reason I like this one. It does sit up higher. Oh my Lord, look at this. Holy, oh, look at the white one. The red seats inside, leather. Oh, that's nice. Here we go. Here's a yellow one. These are Corvettes right here. Oh, this is sharp looking.
Looks like a bumblebee.
It does look like a bumblebee. Oh my gosh, I like this car. Holy. It does look like a bumblebee. And you got the gray one right there. You got the white. That's not a Corvette. Oh my gosh. Okay. I guess we're going to walk around and see what else we can see maybe. I don't know. The only thing I don't like about these cars is look how low they are to the ground. Yeah. I like to see somebody with a bad back get in and out of this. Oh, I gotta say. Now here's the Sonic. This was the car we was going after first before we got little Sparky. We had our minds and our hearts set on a Sonic, but they didn't really have none in. It's an older Sonic, a used obviously, but this is what we thought about first, but I'm glad we didn't. I like little Sparky. And not much to really see down that way, or that way. Let's walk on by. All right, we'll go over here and look at a couple Jeeps. And that might do it for the new cars. They don't have many out like they did last time we was here. They had all kinds of new ones out then. Let's go look at some Jeeps. It might be kind of hard to hear me. I'm right by the highway. There's the Wrangler. That's not new. I'm not even sure if this one's new. I don't know if these are new or not. Let's go down here and look at this one.
I said the new ones are probably the ones in the front.
You see a year on this?
Yeah, 2017.
Oh, it ain't new at all.
No, none of these are new.
No, what happened to the new ones? Here's your electric cars right here, y'all. I have to say they look funny, but holy, just think of the gas mileage you would save on one of these. How do you guys feel about when you go to a car lot, when those people come out asking you, you guys need help? Are you looking for a car? No, they're doing their job, definitely, and that don't bother me. But I'm gonna tell you here, when they come out, they ask if you're looking for something, you need some help. And you're like, well, we're just browsing around. They leave you alone. That's what I like. All right, guys. We're still waiting for little Sparky to get done. I will make that 20,000 mile review. It will air on a Saturday. And I tell more about that when I do the review. I want to talk about the windshield wipers too. Yes. But guys, this is what we're doing today. It's been one of them crazy days. I'll get back in that in the next couple videos. Well guys, until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Leave me comments down there. What do you think about car lots? I like to browse them personally. I do. It kills time, the best way to kill time. But I gotta head in. It looks like they took my car in, so it shouldn't be much longer. We'll see you next time. Come on. Catch you on the next adventure.